Hi there, students. Feisty. Feisty, an adjective. Feistily, the adverb, and I guess feistiness as well. Okay, somebody who is feisty is full of determination. They're active, they're lively. They don't just say yes, yes, whatever you do. No, they fight for their right. They're very strong-willed. Yeah, they don't give up easily. Okay, so I think feisty is normally something that is positive. It's somebody who's spirited, they're determined, they've got guts, they don't give up. Particularly somebody who is either relatively small in stature, in physical size, or somebody who is not very high up on the pecking order. They haven't got very high status, and they defend their position in a much more lively and aggressive way than you would expect from someone in that position. Okay, so a feisty young man, was arguing with the older generation. The older generation was saying, no, we know better. But he was feisty enough because he was certain of his position. You say somebody's feisty is tough, independent and spirited, especially when you wouldn't expect them to be. So at the age of 75, he was still a feisty individual, fiery, spirited, active, bold, full of determination, was very plucky, very spunky. I always think of Madonna as very feisty. She wants to try new things, and people who try to put her down and say, little woman, no, she's not going to have it. And I think that's a very good thing. So self-reliant, resilient, full of energy and courage. Now, you can also use this word in a negative way, calling somebody quarrelsome and aggressive. But I think there are many people who, if you don't agree with them, then you are looking for a problem, you're looking for an argument, and you're not feisty and full of determination and spirit, you're just aggressive, you're just looking for a fight. But you can use it in that way. The Americans use it more like that. So they got drunk, and one of them started to get feisty, and a fight ensued. So somebody who's feisty, they've got a lot of mettle. They're not going to roll over and just agree with you. They're going to support their corner. They're tenacious. They're prepared to stand and fight, both physically and verbally, despite the fact that they're not very big in stature or they have some other disadvantage. So a feisty person stands up for themselves, and they're always full of new ideas and wanting to do new things, even if there is opposition to what they think or what they want to do. They're going to maintain their intentions and their path to this. So he feistily suggested all sorts of new things that we could do. He's renowned for his feistiness. Okay, so formality. I think I'm going to give this I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Use it informally, semi-formally, and formally. It's a good word to use. And then as to origin, well, this actually comes from American. In the past, a feist used to be a small, aggressive dog. And you can understand why feisty means that. This is this little dog that looks at this great big dog and then attacks it. This originally came from feist, meaning to stink, to smell bad. And that actually, in Middle English, meant a fart, which smells bad. And that, I think, goes back all the way to Proto-Indo-European. So somebody who's feisty, somebody who's full of spunk, energy, they're tenacious, they're not going to give up, they're full of new ideas, they are vivacious, they are strong-willed, and they're going to do what they think. Yeah. He feistily criticized the Prime Minister. Yeah, with his feistiness, he doesn't give up easily. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Feisty.